Today we're going to install a new door handle on this 2013 Chevy Silverado. Just made a video of how to remove the broken one. There's the part number right and the left. So simply what we're going to do is there's that rod right there. We have to fish out. You can probably get it from down here. Stick your head in here. There it is. And just kind of try to hook it to the side. And if not, you're gonna need both hands. So we could put that little latch or that rod right in through here. So the way we're gonna do that is we're gonna put in that rod and we'll work this in like this in an angle. Slide it in. There is a little clip right here. It's gonna go into that. So you want to make sure once it's on that rod, bring it in, set it into place, bring it forward, then latch it into place. But then bring that rod out and I'll latch it into place. Alright, and there you have it. And you're just going to want to work this to an angle. So it's like so. Same procedure like I said. Bring this forward. Then we'll lock it into place. I'm going to use both hands so I can hold the door. And there it is, nice and latched. Now we're going to go ahead and put in the two 10mm bolts. Make sure you don't drop them. If not, have a little trusty magnet friend with you. I will be using a 10mm socket with an extension to be able to reach in there. First one is right in there. You can see the bolt hole there. And the other one is right there. So be careful not to drop these. Otherwise, you're going to go fishing. Alrighty, here goes the first one. Not too tight. And the next one will go over from this cable to reach right back there. Perfect. Don't want to make it too tight. It is plastic on the other side. Nice and secured. Let's give it a go. Perfect. Sweet. Now we'll bring this back together and we are set. Make sure you stay tuned to the next video of how to install the door panel. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.